Check out this tombstone thing. Isn't this cool? It's got like the skull on it and well, good morning, YouTube. August 17th, 2016. It's almost noon. I got up a little while ago, just finished editing all of the footage from yesterday, getting that uploaded. It is, believe it or not, raining again. So that pretty much puts a damper on the Kennywood plans for today. Since it is raining, we're just gonna go ahead and bag it. Instead, we're going to Ikea! Alright, plan now today, I'm all showered and changed, is we're returning a stationary spin bike that I bought months ago to Costco. I'm just not using it. I don't really like it. When I was buying something, I wanted more of just your regular exercise bike. Take that back, get my money back. That's enough to get a drone and a gym membership. So Jess and I and my mother are gonna do that. If you're new to the vlog and wondering the situation, Jess is my girlfriend. We live here with my parents in Pittsburgh. They're kind enough to let us live here until Jess is done with school. Then hopefully we will move somewhere more exciting, either East Coast, West Coast, or anywhere in between.
Or juice enough chicken.
We'll grab some lunch here before we head out. Nothing sounds exciting right now. I don't know.
Minuscule. Oh look, there's probably enough for you to have a little taco.
Meat.
Yeah, plus I'm gonna buy more apples because I've read they're good for your cholesterol. Any
An
kind
apple
of,
a day
yeah.
keeps that.
Totino's!
Middle school. And then
Hot. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Always bringing you hot shit. I hope that you listen. Know my name? I think that's my name.
All right, we've got the bike in the car here. That was it's really heavy. I was surprised how heavy it is. But on our way to Costco once again to return it, get my money back.
So you can get a gym membership instead.
Yes, a gym membership and a drone. Thank you. Oh, playing Starbucks for life. I got 4. An octopus. I need 1 more for Starbucks for life. If you've been following these vlogs, you know that could be very handy. It's a perfect day for our new tires. Ikea. Everything's in Swedish. In Ikea, I'm so excited. Ikea announcements. Do we need a bag? All right. About to start. We'll follow the arrows on the floor. Trying to print in our Ikea family card right now. So this way. They got a lot of Mickeys here. All right, here's how we're supposed to go. Bright kitchen. Wow. I like this artwork. Oh yeah. I love Ikea. So many great ideas.
But it's on here. plug it into it.
Success. Always gotta follow the arrows. A Brada, I like it. The Poang. Patrick and I had one of those in our apartment in college in Daytona. I was actually sitting on a 2010 gold medal hockey game when Parisi tied it up. It was everyone friends to the right, dead cockroach to the left, you know, Florida. A Drona, a Fraken, or Badinji. I never was a fan of soccer. The Lack. I usually just call him Eddie. Everything goes between the legs. Svartazen. I trust her, but do you trust her? I think this one over here is Besta. Hopla, we like his wine. A Scooby. A Fixa. I get it. Am I the only one enjoying this? Probably. Checking out the bedroom stuff. They've got beds that got huge drawers underneath. I feel like that could be handy. You know, fit the drone underneath the bed. I always want to buy everything in this store. Oh, this one is kind of firm.
Well, jump on it.
Jump on it. Jump on it.
Tonto, jump on it, jump on it, jump.
Uploading wherever I can. Just kidding. We're on the How to Get Kicked Out of Ikea tour now. Now we're getting to the good stuff. The kitchen. Well, I really like this kind of kitchen. The look, the color scheme, the tile. It's the dishwasher. You would never know. Where's the trash? There's the trash. Handy, I like it. It looks like an oven, but it's a microwave. I'm a sucker for that subway tile. I just love all these ideas. I'll redesign our entire house with Ikea. I want to get some of those big wine glasses, you know? Almost just knocked over whole display. Trying to find that piece of map art. Found it. Alright, aisle 14, we're there. Bin 60. And we're at 26. 27. Alright, we're getting there. Ah, found it. I decided against it. Oh, not actual size. Bummer. Alright, Ikea was a success. We got some good stuff. Got the big wine glasses we were looking for. Even a mini Ikea bag for under $1. I mean, that's just a steal.
Show the bag. You need to show the bag.
Show the bag. What a deal. 58 cents for that thing. And we're back again. I hadn't been to Costco 2 times in the last 2 years. Now I've been here twice in the last 2 days. She's been wanting to take this thing back for months. Alright, spin bike returned.
Yes.
Now to the fancy market district. I'm excited. But first we have to stop at the Garden Ridge to check for her cushions quickly. It's actually the at-home store now. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Everywhere you go, there's a tree at the home decor. Make that the store at home. Oh, that's like perfect. So we came in this store for cushions for our chairs, but they have everything you could possibly imagine. Wizard's chess pieces? Check. Mate. This place in Ikea, I feel like I could do some serious damage.
Okay, this might be close.
Look.
Look at these chairs. A director's chair. I need it. I want it. This is a store where you need water, map, and a plan. We have none of them. 0 for 3 today. You could be in that store all day. That is just absolutely crazy. All right, now to the Good Market Express. Not Express. Now to the Good Market District. Jeez. Shout out to Sean Doris because we just bought 5 boxes of cereal. Here's the frozen Cool Whip. Oh yeah, that's right. Only comes frozen. In a world where grocery stores put out samples, there's a man who's in hunt of those samples. Success. Oh. So that was the mediocre Market District. They didn't have the good apples. Had the pizza dough in a pizza box though. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Come out too easily. I think I like our Market District just a little bit better. So hope you enjoyed our adventures out here in Robinson today. Till tomorrow, keep flying.
Gamma Jet 17, turn left heading 220, runway 31 right, clear for takeoff.
220 on heading clear to go 31 right, Gamma Jet 17.